Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use split screen over on the iPhone so you can start multitasking. So basically, in order to use split screen on your iPhone, what you simply need to do is head over into the App Store, because unfortunately there's no actual way to do this within the iPhone settings. There's just no update for that. Basically iOS and Apple just doesn't allow that. Luckily there's an app called Split Screen that literally just allows you to still use split screen within the app, so it's going to be quite cool. So just type in split screen over on the App Store, and then what you want to download is split screen dual window. It's going to be this one. Once you've downloaded, simply open it just like this. And once you've done that, you might get an ad. It doesn't really matter. You can just click that away just like this. And basically, once you've done that, you will literally be able to use split screen just like this. Unfortunately, it is in an actual app, so basically you are using split screen in an app, but still, it is quite cool that you can, for example, browse YouTube and maybe, I don't know, browse Facebook, or maybe 2 times YouTube so you can watch 2 videos at once, or maybe I just search Wikipedia while you're watching a video. And yeah, that's basically all you need to do in order to use split screen. I mean, you can also just basically move it, so if you want a really small split screen, that will also work. And yes, that's basically the only way in order to use split screen over on your iPhone so you can start multitasking. So yeah, that's all you need to do. If you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.